Good morning, children. Today let us do the exercise given at the back of the chapter. First is tick the correct answer. Which of the following is not an example of the plant that grows in the hills? It is coconut. Which of the following plants has breathing roots? Mangrove. Which of these trees shed their leaves in winter? Deciduous trees. Which of the following plants grow in coastal regions? Coconut. Which of the following places has a moderate climate? Plains. Find the odd one out and give reasons for your answer in the space provided. Hydrilla, lotus, water lily, cactus. Cactus because it is xerophyte. Pine, cedar, lotus, fir. Lotus because it is a hydrophyte. Palm, mango, acacia, cactus. Mango because it grows in the plains and not in desert. Coconut, mango, teak, mangrove because it has breathing roots. Wolffia, pistia, water lettuce, palm because it grows in the desert, in the oasis. Fill in the blanks using the words given in the box. Dash is a submerged plant, tape grass. Dash is a plant that grows in the hills, that is the spruce. Keep the aquatic plants afloat, hollow stems. Dash help the desert plants to absorb water from the soil, roots. Dash is a fixed aquatic plant, water lily. Now let us come to the brief answers. In the brief answers, we have already discussed define habitat and name the different types of terrestrial habitats yesterday. Next question is, why do desert plants need adaptations? Why do aquatic plants have spongy bodies? Differentiate between deciduous trees and evergreen trees. Give 2 examples. And always when differentiation is asked for, you will do it in the columns, which makes your answer clear. Next is answer the following questions in details. In this, the first question I will just explain you a bit. Here it is said, take a leaf of an aloe vera plant. This is the leaf of an aloe vera plant, and you have to cut it. This is the leaf of aloe vera plant and you have to cut it. I have already cut it for you, and you will find a watery substance stored in the leaf. See, there is the watery substance in the leaf. Now you have to answer, which kind of habitat do you think aloe vera will grow in? So this answer you have to give on your own, and I will not give you the answer. Next question is, differentiate between cactus plant and pine tree. What is the difference between the roots of mangrove and floating aquatic plants? State the 3 adaptations of hydrophytes. The 3 adaptations are given. Why do aquatic plants prevent damage from strong currents? Give reason for the following. The trees of hills have conical shape. Leaves in cactus are modified into spines. The leaves of aquatic plants have a waxy coating on them. Mangrove trees have breathing roots. Tape grass has ribbon-like leaves. So, all these answers are given to you, and you will check it, learn it, and get it prepared for the days when the school will reopen. I will ask you. Thank you, children.